What's up, everybody? Happy Jerome Powell Day. Markets up or down? Well, they flushed right at the very end. So down they go. But we put a lot of orders in yesterday, so let's get our record keeping back. Filled orders, 3 fills here. PFS 1563. LEA filled for the 124.75. Check. AUB 25.66. Wrong button. That's what we got. All right, we got some orders that didn't fill, okay? So, some of these filled yesterday, bro. I have to get the phone out and check for those, because this fancy I'm a pro day trader platform that really sucks, in my opinion, doesn't give you the information in an easy format, which is a fail, because this here got 2 shares. Where's the fill? It happened in the after hours yesterday. So, buy BANC 1084. That checks out. And CVBF at 1326, which checks out. This guy here did not fill. Delete. Just that easy. So we're going to come up here. NFG. Cancel the order. Alright. Now, as you can see, we have our 3 day trades left and 172 bucks. So it's time to go to work, right? First of all, 172 is more than 124. So let's check out MTB and LEA and see which one we're going to buy. All right, first one. All right, you can see it's getting closer to a buy zone. It's going to be down in this price range, right? So if it sneaks back down, it'll be an option. But it is not. So I like this approach. It's black and white. It either is or it is not. So, okay, we've got 25.91. You can see it right here. On LEA, we're going to do that. 121.95. And that will eat most of our capital, which I think is actually really, really good timing. My humble opinion. So humble. Alright, LE. Oh, come on. Okay. 121.95. And we have to cancel this guy. We'll do it the old-fashioned way. I wish this is for like really pro sophisticated traders, but I'm not that guy. 121.95 is the price. You can see it at the top. I always double check it in another platform because the market makers be trying to make some money off us. First triggers a second. We're going to sell 2 of these, and this will be our first day trade, should this fill. We got to figure up our sell price. So, we're not as rushed today, so you add these up, divided by 2, that'll give you the average. It's also down here. And what I like to do is I'll take that number times 1.01 to get a 1% profit target. And that's what I roll with. So pause the video, but do figure it out for yourself. And then we'll put the order in. Is that what y'all got? Double check here, make sure we're over the average. Yeah, 124.58. Yeah, that's the winner. Good till cancel with the extended hours on this because we have our day trades, right? Now, if all that confuses you and it's just too much for you to handle and you run low on your day trades, you just need to buy one day, sell the next day. Only during market hours, okay? Because that'll keep you from triggering the day trader rule which will basically put you out of commission. We don't want to be out of commission. So that's it. We'll ship it. Filled. 121.95. We're immediately in the game. Perfect. Now we have $50 left. So, what other options do we have? AUB is the next most expensive one. But let's check it out and see if it is a buy. Since we have such large positions, I'm okay to go ahead and dump it. So 123, yep, that's a good one. 25.30 is the mark. We're going to do it for that price. Even though in the after hours it is trading much lower, we should get a better fill. But we're going to use this mark just in case maybe you're not seeing this video until late at night, right? You don't have a second, third job, and you're not getting to these until late at night. You're probably not trying hard enough. So don't expect big rewards if you're not putting out big effort. Nothing happens without massive action. 25.30. Let's go ahead and get this order in. All right. First trigger's the second. Probably could leave that, but we're going to go ahead and do it the right way here. 25.30. Now we need to figure out a sell price. So we're going to buy one of these and hopefully sell 3 of them. You can add these up, divide by 3. That'll give you your average. Or it's down here. And add 1%. So this number times 1.01. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to. But do figure it out for yourself. It's a nice easy one, right? Nice and easy for you new math folks out there. Old school, that's an easy one. Good till cancel with the extended hours. And this will be day trade number 2. Let's see if we get that. Boom, 24.95, even better than expected. So, should we change our sell price because our average has changed? The answer is no, that's extra profit margin. We're going to take that money. Okay? So, we've got $25 left. All right? We've got 1 day trade left. And I guess this is the highest of the 2, so we'll throw this in PFS. Let's make sure that it's under a 30 RSI. We are buying a lot of income today. So you can see us down here, and you can see the dividends right here. So if we hold it until the 11th, we'll get 24 cents a share. And we currently will have 3 of them. So 75 cents, 73 cents. Do that for your quick math. Just freebie. I love these. My perfect setup. Right into the ex-dividend date. I'm guessing that was probably 5.2, since I'm so good at my attention to detail. Not. Alright. So what's the closing print here? Let's make sure we get the right print. $15.62, and this is trading lower after hours as well, so we should be alright. $15.62. A penny less than we bought it yesterday, which means a good sign. Which means it's not just falling out of the sky like Chicken Little. It's finding a base. This is an exciting time. We're actually going to put some order flow in. For those of you that have been with me on my journey from the very beginning, you should really feel a sense of accomplishment. First trigger's a second, because if you remember back in the early videos, and you can go back and watch them, we had our little $10 and we were just barely moving along. But you can see in less than a year, we've got some. I mean, it's only $500, but it was only $10 a week. That's the kicker. You know, if you're able to add more safely and still have all of your bills paid and all your buckets in the right order, don't overdo it, because that's what people do, because they want to hurry this thing along, but you can't hurry it. Then it will grow even faster. And if you want to see what a big account looks like doing it, by all means, follow me along during the day. The blog, links in the description. It's free. It's just my pictures throughout the day of what I'm buying and selling. Add these up, divide by 3. We're getting a sell price. Get the average. It's also right down here. Take that number times 1.01. That'll get you a 1% profit target. If you need to pause the video, go ahead. But I'm going to throw this in. Was that close enough? I think that's it. And you can see that's under our initial price. So I'm going to take a few minutes here just to express that the power of math and averaging down. So we bought it here, and we're actually going to sell it lower. Okay? So the whole thinking that stocks have to go up to make money is a myth. Okay? The secret to making money is having more money. You have more money to keep buying it. And that's the whole deal. That's why we use a small position size with $500. We could have just bought 10 shares or something, but, we didn't. 1% for 1%. Keep it nice, simple, and easy. And it works really good for me. You got to make your own investment decisions, but that's what works for me. So that's what I'm kicking it out. I think it'll work good for you too, to be honest. $9.92 is not quite enough. We could have bought both of these and not PFS, but that's all right. These small banks just don't trade after hours very much, so I don't look for that to fill, but that's okay. That's our 3-day trades. We're out of cash. We're going to have our deposit, and we'll start having some dividends come in. Okay, so if things start selling, we'll keep buying, but if nothing else, for a little big picture, let's take a look at the charts and understand that we are fully invested all the way down here. Okay, and you can see this is a level of support. It doesn't mean the market's going to start going up from here, but it could. And the only thing you really need to worry about is not that, we got right in at the bottom. That's the wrong perspective. The only thing you need to worry about is we didn't buy it up here. We did not buy the tippy top. We're way down here. And it doesn't look like that big a deal on the chart, but it's 2.27% from the top. So even if it only goes part of the way up and continues to go down, we're going to cash flow all of our stocks and be ready to buy more as it continues to fall. And that's the power of the system. It keeps you in the game. It keeps you active. It makes you look at the markets every day, which is important, and keeps you in the money flow. I buy stocks every day. You can see from the PFS example, those dividends will roll right into the account. Even if we sell the stock after the 11th, we'll still get the dividend on the payment date. And every stock we buy pays a dividend. Every stock is more compounding income. So we're not worried if the stock sells. Even MTB, we are buried on that. But we're going to keep collecting this dividend here. That's what it's all about. $1.30 every time. Boom, boom, boom. This was March, April, May, so probably June, right? So they haven't announced it yet, but it's probably up here in June, right? We'll be getting another one. So we've created $5 a year in income just by playing alone. So I hope this is helpful for y'all. I get rambly sometimes, but I'm excited this thing is moving well. I really would like to see some sales, but like I said, we've got cash flow, so we've planted. Now we just wait for the harvest. So I hope y'all are having a great day. Stay tough out there. Make your own decisions, but get the money in, and let me know how you're doing. So I hope this is helpful. We'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.